Hi everyone, this is KG Vlog, si Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ito reaction video. Itong another debunking of Madam Barda United. Please, kung ayaw nyo nang nagsasalita and everything, please go check the TikTok account of Barda United. Barda United ang pangalan sa TikTok. Okay, so I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Kasi itong Barbie Fortesa, hindi ko to babu na kay David Licauco. Hindi ko pa to siya masyado na, what do you call this, na-dissect kasi wala naman akong nadaan ng mga chismis about this one. Pero nakita ko sa vlog ni Jim Panot, pero hindi ko naman tinignan. Nakita ko lang sa thumbnail niya na si Abante ganun-ganyan. Sinabi.
So, gawan natin to ng konting reaction. Just to emphasize the lack of reading and comprehension.
Ayun lang. Na-question na naman ang
aptitude
na-question
of this Melay.
Sino ba yung Melay na yan?
And others who are using this Abante article as a basis for saying
wala ng Barbie and David.
Wala ng Barda.
Okay,
Ginagamit nila tong article na to eh.
Kasi alam nila.
This was actually authored by Archie Liao of Abante, no? So, but the funny thing is, kung nagre-research lamang si Melay, ay maiintindihan niya that this is just a fun take on the promotion of Not Never Say Die. Parang parang tinitwist niya lang, parang patawa. Babu na si Barbie kay David. Diba?
Okay.
Dahil hindi niya binasa yung buong article.
Okay.
So Melay depended only on the headline.
Si Melay.
So headline reader lang po siya, hindi niya talaga binabasa yung article. Pero
di ba yan din yung ginawa nila sa akin? Yung nakita nila yung 24 oras sa thumbnail ko, hindi nila pinanood, hindi nila chinek ang video, tapos sinabihan na akong fake news agad. Remember that? Di ba?
Kung babasahin mo ang article, it talks about Barbie allowing the other half of Barda to grow as an actor and grow outside of the love team. None in the article says anything about Barda breaking up or parting ways. Walang ganun. It's just that babu kasi David and Barbie have their own projects, solo era, and parang babu to David because he is now into his own projects and he is launching Never Say Die with Jillian, and it's parang wishing David luck in his new movie.
Okay.
In fact, ang article very short lang eh. It's more on babu to David in his new movie. Parang wishing David well. The other half of Barda, Godspeed. Parang ganun yung article eh. And then meron na lang mga parang quoted comments from the COMSEC of fans, how they reacted. Yung mga overreacting ng mga fans.
Yung comprehension level talaga.
So medyo mahina po talaga ang comprehension at reading skills nitong mga ito.
Okay.
Melay is a Barson fan. But,
tapos na ako sa era ng mga
Melay, magbasa ka naman ng konti. Wag yung headline lang. At saka talaga ba, ipagmamalaki mo sa akin ng Abante. Okay lang pag malaki mo Abante kung binasa mo yung article. But you did not even read
yung sa TikTok.
You just dependent on the hype of the headline. Yung headline lang ang ginawa mong truth, hindi mo binasa yung pinaka-article that it's a promotion for Never Say Die. I mean, how ob is that? I mean, pwede ba, Melay, bago ka mag-crash sa mga Barda pages at nag-stalk ka doon, at tumatambay ka sa mga Barda pages, make sure mo naman na nagbabasa ka. Hindi yung bash ka ng bash. Wala mang kwenta yung mga sinasabi mo di ba? You know, the best thing not for anything, kasi sometimes I'm being, really, parang, not really criticized, pero parang sinasabihan ako na, bakit ko, binablock yung mga nagbabash sa akin. Well, simply because it's a waste of energy kasi to answer stupid and brainless people na hindi nag-research, hindi nagbasa. Katulad dito, hindi man lang binasa yung article. Tapos yung mga analytics o yung analysis nila of things are so poor. I mean, our life on earth is so short and so valuable. I will not waste it on people who won't even exert effort to research or fact check or, okay lang sa akin magtanong, di ba? Yung ganun. Pero yung babash ka, aangas ka dyan, tapos hindi ka pala nagbasa. Tapos binase mo lang yung judgment mo na walang barda on the headline ng Abante. Talaga ba, Besh?
Talaga ba, Besh?
Please do better than that. If you wanna talk to me, please do better than that, okay? Kasi, waste of time yun yung makipag-argue ka sa mga taong puro lang, hindi nag-iisip, yung puro dak-dak lang, na wala namang basis, di ba? Katulad dito, wala siyang basis for saying wala nang barda, sabi niyang ganyan, o wala nang barda, anong basis mo, headline ng Abante, hindi mo binasa na ang context ng sinasabi ng Abante is, Babu, Barbie, Fortesa says Babu to David Licauco because she is allowing her partner to explore opportunities and creative projects outside the love team.
Ay, okay.
Naintindihan mo ba yon, Melay? Or talaga hindi ka nakakaintindi? Ang hina ng intindi mo, girl.
Award.
Balik sa school. Saan ka ba nag-school?
Award.
Joke. I'm just saying, please, naman, kung magiging basher ka or troll ka ng barda, galingan mo naman, please. Kasi, di ba, ang mga barda kasi matatalino. It's best for barda when Melay comments. Ako sa akin, it's a waste of time. And she's just eating your valuable energy. So, just block her. Or ignore her. Ganun lang yon. Best is ignore her.
I love the tawa.
Ako, I don't want that kind of person on my feed. Once you show me toxicity and negativity or, brainless, comment on my feed or on my posts, I'm gonna take you out. Sorry talaga. I want to keep my circle
peace,
productive and
peaceful,
smart. Kasi if you mingle with really poor-headed people, magiging poor-headed ka rin.
True.
Sorry talaga. I mean, I may sound like a bitch, but
I love
bitch it is because, nice girls finish last.
Nice
I'm just saying, para
that.
ma-survive mo yung mga trolls at mga bashers na yan, kailangan matapang hindi lang po yung puso natin, kundi pati utak natin. Ganun po. Hindi lang yan, pretty, ganun. Anyway, have a nice day, people. I hope may napulot. Thank you.
Yeah, meron naman, ma'am. Dapat talaga yung reading comprehension mo talaga is at its finest. Anyways, that is our for today's video. This is Kate Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!